Okay, here we go. So I bite. So how do we do? We just chew everything.
How many chews?
How many? I should just bite it all and swallow it. What do you think? Or bite it one by one? Like
No, just bite it all.
One.
But how many chews? Ask them.
no, I don't know. I'm just gonna down it.
Because
It
you're just
doesn't.
gonna chew it once.
It doesn't matter how many times you chew it. My own soon-to-be wife, mother of a child, wants to make sure I chew it enough, so I have enough suffering. Look at your face. You look so happy. She's like,
No, I just
oh.
like seeing your face
Okay.
when you go through these things.
Okay, we're gonna do it. Okay. Alright guys, since I lost the challenge, I'm gonna be. It wasn't even supposed to be this pepper. It was supposed to be the green pepper.
But we ran out.
Should, because we for some reason I got lost. I wonder why. Was it you?
No!
So now I have to eat this because it's the only pepper I could find. And I know I have to eat balot, but fuck balot, man. This is like I don't need to eat balot anymore if I eat this. I would eat like 5 balots. Actually, no, health-wise, I think I'd rather eat this. Okay. Chewy hit the green pepper. That's true. Did you?
No.
No.
But it's gone.
It's so funny. It's funny. The green pepper is gone. I said, oh, but we have this pepper. That's what she said. Hey, but we have this pepper. I'm like, oh, what is that? Oh, it's the sealant, though. Do you want to try it? I'm just like, well, it's the only one we have. I was looking there. I couldn't find it. Man.
Me too.
You couldn't find it.
I couldn't find it either.
Oh, it's gonna be over soon. Anyway, okay, give me. Okay, let's go. Okay, come on, give it to me.
I give it to you.
Yeah, okay.
I'm
You're
here.
gonna hold on to the milk. What are you gonna do? Okay, here we go. Okay,
Yeah!
3. It's not gonna be so bad. 2.
Yay!
Thank you, love. Thank you. I'm thinking about it too much. Okay. Stop fighting. Stop it. What are you doing? I'm nervous.
Huh? It's gonna be okay. It's gonna make you lose weight.
Okay, yeah, it's gonna make me lose weight, and it's good for you. Okay.
No.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wait for me. Oh my god, that's hot.
But you're doing it with grace. Gracefully.
Ooh.
Is it still there?
Here it comes.
Is it still there?
Yeah. It's in my mouth.
Your tummy's gonna heat up.
Your mechanism game is lit. Mochahism? Mocha. Oh, that's hot.
I love Julie.
Look what they said. It's not gonna be too bad. Neeman 2016. Oh my god.
Really?
Why are you laughing? It's so hot, man. And the
Oh no.
But it's so hot. I still feel it. Do like the evil laugh. Do like the evil. By the way, if you're wondering who's laughing in the background, that's just the mother of my child. I'm just letting you. That's my fiance.
You're getting blushing. You're getting blushing.
The one laughing in the background at my pain is my soon-to-be wife. I'm just letting you know. Milk. Yeah. This is when you definitely need milk.
Julie! Yay!
Thank you. Thank you guys. So, they're like Chewy's laughing. Chewy's laughing because she's gonna show the green pepper right now. You know what we should? A happy wife is a happy life. Thank you. Yes. Hey Ariel, what's up, Scron? Long time, Scron.
That's funny.
You know what we should stream? You know what we should stream on Friday? Me in the bathroom.